What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Paul here once again. If you remember my video from last week, I believe it was Monday night, I said Tuesday we'd come out and have a big day. We'd see from 25 to 27. Well, we were wrong. I was wrong. Sorry. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything that I say is not financial advice. You're going to lose money if you listen to me, most likely. So just remember that going forward. Um, so I was wrong. It looks like we formed this upside down bull flag and they broke out of it and we went down a bit, touched the 1951 mark. So now what I see is a lot of people are being, they're afraid. They're wondering, is AMC going to tank? Should we sell our shares? No, hold on to them. We're not going anywhere. This thing's going to squeeze and they're going to have to cover eventually. Um, so let's just talk about where we see AMC going from here. Before we do that, please head on over and subscribe to the channel and drop a like. So let's just get into this thing here. What I wanted to show you is, we'll take this off, the Bollinger Bands. Now, I don't know if anybody's familiar with the Bollinger Bands, but usually what I see happening with the Bollinger Bands is they'll come up, touch the top, and they'll come down. They'll either bounce off this middle Bollinger Band and go back up to the top, or they'll just, fall down to the bottom band. But when they do fall down to the bottom band, what I usually see is they'll bounce off of it 2 to 3 times, normally twice. So you got this once, a bounce here, and then it reverses. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to break through here, um, but it most likely does. Didn't even touch here, went back up. Um, Bounced here once, came up, bounced twice, and started, back up to the blue. So we got a bounce here, and a bounce here. So looks like that we could be going back up to this blue line. Just wanted to share that with you. Um, if we go back to the EMA here, show you on the weekly what I see happening. Now I got a couple of scenarios for what's going to happen next week. Is uh, we're going to either drop down and test this 200-day moving average, or we'll slightly below it a little bit before we just reverse back up and test the $27 to $29 range, call it that. And if not, if it closes probably below the 200-day, I would anticipate that it's probably going to come down and find some new support around the 14.50 to $15 range. Now, that's just my own opinion. Please share your own opinions in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys and find out where you guys think this is headed. So that's what I got for that. Let me take you guys over here and we're going to find out our own short interest. We're going to do it ourselves here. So we'll bring up the calculator, and we are going to take the shares that are shorted. So that is 94 million 0.75, and we're going to divide that by the float, which is 513 million 0.22. And we get about 18, roughly 18.5%. You want to get technical, 18.46. Now, is that the truth? Probably not. It's probably much higher. But I just wanted to show you guys how to find the short interest on your own, in case you did not know how to do that. So I guess that's really all I have for you guys in this video. So just watch for it to either make that reverse, or the close below the 200-day. I guess another thing too that I could show you too that's interesting is, I don't know if they're going to show them to us. Oh, here we go. All right. For next week, look at all these contracts. There's tons of contracts. The $10 is 19,000. I mean, and look at all these that are out of the money. Tons, just tons out of the money. And we got another 26,000, that could expire in the money next week. I mean, they have a lot already that are in the money themselves, for the puts, but nothing really into comparison. If, if we could come down and close even above 25, that would be a lot of contracts expiring in the money. Um, so that's a good thing. Um, so yeah, I guess that's really all I wanted to show you guys. And so again, I mean, just watch for the moves to happen next week. Hopefully reverse to the upside. Um, but yeah, that's all I got for you. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and we'll see you in the next video.